Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at Shiba Inu. As Shiba Inu is having a very interesting day, down over 2%. And the question is, are people selling Shib? Are people no longer bullish on Shib? Let's go ahead and take a look. Before we do, I gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss a single update just like this, as I cover Shiba Inu, meme coins, and many other cryptocurrencies on this channel every single day, and a subscribe will be greatly appreciated. And while you're at it, check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store, where you can buy and swap Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies with Best Wallet, the smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2026. Recommended by top sources in both the finance and crypto space. Multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial, all in one. That you gotta check out. Again, every download supports the channel tremendously, so appreciate it if you check it out. Now, what is going on with Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu versus Bitcoin, which one is likelier to make you a millionaire? Now, in terms of sheer X percentage, technically I guess Shiba Inu, right? However, if I had to place a bet, I would pick Bitcoin in the long run. I'm actually curious on what this article summarized with. I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but I don't expect it to grow rapidly, as it should easily outperform Shiba Inu and other small cryptocurrencies. However, its growth will likely slow down as it becomes more widely accepted as safe haven investment alongside gold, silver, and other assets. So I guess it's similar response where Shiba Inu could have a higher return on investment. However, long term, obviously, Bitcoin is a safer play. Now, what's going on with Shib? Today specifically, we've seen Shib in the red. We're down about 2% on the day. In terms of price action on the week, we're down about 3%. On the month, up over 7%, which is still very respectable. Shib from accumulation to exit mode, Shiba Inu started 2026 with hope and ended the week with reality. After a short-lived rally, Shib quickly flipped from accumulation to selling, wiping out a large chunk of recent gains. At the start of the year, nearly 140 trillion Shib were in profit. 1 week later, the number collapsed by 62%, leaving only 57 trillion Shib still green. When profit disappears, patience usually follows, which is fair, something we've been seeing time and time again. Exchange flow nets are flashing green, not bullish green, but tokens moving into exchanges. Rising exchange balances usually means one thing: holders are preparing to sell, not wait. So the feedback loop problem: less profits equals more selling equals more downside. Without fresh demand, Shib is stuck in this loop. And the levels to watch here is this price level. If it breaks that support, we could see it go continuing further in the red, but hopefully we see some recoveries around this one, and I'm still hopeful in the long term for Shiba Inu. Also, guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, check out this crypto ICO project that I've been covering very closely. This one's called Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, offering scalability and speed to Bitcoin. Similar to how Shiba Inu brought some L2 tech to Ethereum, this one's bringing L2 technology to Bitcoin. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin payments, meme coins, and dApps. They have raised over $30.6 million, and in 11 hours, they're actually set to increase their price. Meaning, if you want to get the lowest price, now the chance to strike, link in the description box below. And back to Shiba Inu. So we see Shiba Inu definitely making headlines on the news. Technicals are looking iffy. We could go one of both ways. Shib, massive reversal soon. So again, some technicals are looking bullish. Obviously, some are looking bearish. Talking about Shiba Inu from last cycle, pumped over 111,000 or 111 million %. Which is crazy. So again, people are still hopeful for Shiba Inu. It's time to send Shiba Inu. Analyst confirms clean breakout on Shib charts. So again, looks like something big could be coming from Shib token. Big news: we're partnering up with Token Play AI, the only token OS to bring real token utility to Shib. We're kicking it off with exclusive Shiba themed mini app. So pretty cool, nice little partnership in play to kind of send Shiba Inu back to some hopeful territory. Is there a matter of time for Shiba Inu to reach the moon? Looks like it. I feel a hopeful, optimistic stance across the board in the crypto market. Even though we're seeing red today and yesterday, and in the long term, we're going to see some nice price stability in the meme markets. And this could be just the beginning. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the crypto we cover on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, ciao.